We begin with a sad story where, in the early hours of Monday, January 5th, 2026, a small village called Saba, located in Kibera, Nairobi, faced demolitions of semi-permanent structures where people ran small businesses, some for decades, were flattened. The demolished sites include small food stalls and kiosks, car wash and cleaning services, vendor stalls selling clothes, shoes, and everyday goods, and other business structures built close to the railway reserve. According to statements from Kenya Railway Corporation and government authorities, the demolitions are part of a strategic effort to reclaim the legally protected railway corridor and prepare for major transportation infrastructure developments ahead of the 2027 Africa Cup of Nations. The government says notices were reportedly issued ahead of time for occupants to vacate. Plans include constructing a new railway station near Nyayo National Stadium and a spur line from Nairobi Central Station through Kibera to Talanta Sports City Stadium, intended to support transportation during the AFCON 2027. However, the official statement states that Kenya Railways insists the demolition exercise is lawful and necessary for national development, not selective or politically targeted. On the community side, the livelihoods of many informal business owners have been disrupted. Traders, food vendors, and service providers now stand among trouble, trying to salvage what they can. Some had invested years building up their livelihoods in those spaces. Political figures have also weighed in, one notable case being the car wash business of Kiambu Governor Kimani Wamatangi, which was also demolished under the same exercise, triggering a public dispute over fair treatment and due process. On the other hand, businesses owners had something to smile about after donations were announced, where Oburu Odinga pledged 3 million shillings to assist those whose businesses were destroyed, and another donor committed 2 million shillings for recovery efforts in Kibera and near Langata. These promises aim to help families rebuild, but many residents say support must go beyond cash, including alternative livelihoods and business space. In conclusion, the demolition of business structures along the railway line in Saba is part of a larger urban transformation process tied to infrastructure projects ahead of AFCON 2027. For many residents of Kibera, what happens next will determine not just the physical landscape of Saba, but the economic and social future of its people.